Okay, for 74, they're saying we have 24 square tiles, and they want to know how many rectangles we can make. And it says that they must use all the tiles and have no holes or gaps. So basically, they're asking us for the factors of 24, right? So we could have a rectangle, and then it says sketch. I'm not going to sketch, and you don't have to sketch either. But the first rectangle we would make is 1 by 24, right? It wouldn't look nice, but we could do that. We could have 2 by 12 because 2 goes into 24. 3 goes in, right? So 3 by 8. 4 goes in, 4 by 6. 5 doesn't, 6, and then we're back to these. So I'll assume that the width and the height of the rectangle don't matter. I don't think we have to duplicate these. So I would say I could sketch 4 rectangles that have 24 square tiles. So this is 4 rectangles. If you put 8 because you said that 1 by 24 is different than 24 by 1, I couldn't really argue with it because it didn't specify whether the height and the width, or the height and the length are unique. Okay, so the second part, can you make a square with 24 tiles? Can you make a square? So for it to be a square, both, right? I mean, if we have a square, by definition, all 4 sides are the same, right? They're s's, not 5's. So basically, what's the square root of 24? Is it a perfect square? No, it's not. So can we make a square? No, we cannot make a square out of 24. We can make a square out of 25, right, because it'd be 5 by 5. We could make a square out of 16 because it'd be 4 by 4, but clearly we can't make a square out of 24 square tiles.